Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a new article on the latest blog editor on WordPress. We're using WordPress 5.4, which is the latest version, and we're going to post this new article on that. You can see my website on the screen, which is studioS.com, and we're going to post a new article on the blog page of this website. So if I scroll down, I can find the link to the blog at the very end. If I click here, it will take me to the blog page, which looks like this. And I'm going to have a new article pasted here. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard. The first thing that I'm going to ensure is that my WordPress is up to date. To do that, once you are in your dashboard, click on Updates. When you click on Updates, you'll see this message which says you have the latest version of WordPress. Future security updates will be applied automatically. Now, if you do not have the latest version, you can update your WordPress using the button here. That button will read Update WordPress. You can click on it and the version will be automatically updated. Now the next thing is to start writing a post. So click on Post and click on All Posts. Now there are three ways of adding a new post. One is to click on this button here which says Add New. Second is to click on this top link and say New Post. And the third is to click on this Add New link on the navigation bar. Okay, so you can use any of these three and it will take you to the Add New Post page like this. So this is the new blog editor where you can update your post. Now I am using OceanWP theme for this video, so we have a few options here below which may not be there on your theme. So if you are using OceanWP, you will see this OceanWP settings. Otherwise, you may have different kind of settings here. Now, whatever theme you are using, the blog editor will look something like this. If you want to know more about the blog editor, you can go on the right, click on this option and click on Welcome Guide. It will open this box where it says Welcome to the blog editor. In the WordPress editor, each paragraph, image or video is presented as a distinct block of content. Okay, so you can see the blocks here. These are distinct from each other. Make each block your own. Each block comes with its own set of controls for changing things like color, width and alignment. So you can customize each of the blocks. This will show and hide automatically when you have a block selected. Get to know the block library. All of the blocks available to you live in the block library. So you can click on this plus button. You will find it wherever you see the plus icon. Okay, and you can see the block library. You can select any type of block that you want on your post. So click on Next. Learn how to use the block editor. Are you new to the block editor? Want to learn more about using it? You can click on this link. So it will give you a detailed guide on the block editor. So you don't want this guide to be open right now. So I'll just click on Get Started. Now I'm ready with my setup on WordPress. I need the post which I'm going to publish on this website. Now I've actually prepared the post which I'm going to publish on this website even before I logged into WordPress. So I have a post which is written on the Word doc and I have this image which I'm going to publish or paste inside the post. Now this is the article that I've written and I'm going to post this on the WordPress website. Okay, so you can see this article is about 1400 or 1340 words long. Okay, and it has a few formatting, we'll see how to format the post which we are going to publish on the website. So let's copy the title first. This is the title of my post. Copy this and go to WordPress. I'm going to paste the title here on the top. Okay. Now you can see the body of the text or body of the post starts from here. On the right hand side, you see this add block. If you click on this, you can select different kind of blocks which you want to insert in your post. Okay. On the top, you have this button again. You can add a block from here as well. This is an icon or a button for undo. This button is for redo. If you have undone something, you can redo by clicking on this button as well. Then this one has content structure. If you click on it, it will tell you how many words are there in your post body, how many headings you have, how many paragraphs you have, how many blocks you have. Then we have the block navigation. Here also you can see the paragraphs that you are using. Then the last one is tools. What kind of tools you have, edit tools and select. So tools offer different interactions for block section and editing. If you want to edit something or move around, you can use the select tool. To select, press escape. To go back to editing, press enter. Okay. Alright. So let's start pasting in the content. Till here we have text. Copy this and paste it here. Okay. So we have the content here. The next thing that we want to add here is an image. So I'll come here, click on add block and I'll select image. Okay. And here I'm going to upload an image. Since it is not there in my media library, I'm going to upload from my computer. So the image is getting uploaded. It's the same image that I showed you on my folder. So just write a simple caption which says Bluehost shared hosting, which is the title of my post as well. Okay. Here you can add an alt text to the image. So copy this, paste it here. Image size would be large, width would be 1024 by 330. Okay. So I'm not going to change anything. Whatever the image is, it will look like this. Okay. Let's continue. So by default, you will get a paragraph block here. Okay. But if you want, you can change it to something else as well. So I will use the paragraph block to insert the next set of text. So I can see here that from this portion till here, I do not have a lot of formatting. So I'll copy this and then come here and paste. Okay. Now this needs to be a heading. So I'll come here and change the block type to heading and I'll select H2, which is by default. And now I'm going to write the pros of having this hosting service. I'll again go to my Word. From here, I'm going to copy the entire list of pros that I've written and I'll paste them here. You can see that it has maintained the formatting which was there in Microsoft Word. Okay. So there are some problems, some grammatical errors which I'll quickly fix. Okay, so this I've fixed using Grammarly. Grammarly is an added attachment to my browser. Okay, I use it to enhance the English that I type. Now after fixing the words, for fixing the grammar mistakes, I can see that the bold words are removed. So I'll again select them and make them bold. Okay, only the titles. Okay, so this is done. Let's move to the next segment or next block. Again, I can copy the entire thing just copy this and paste it here. Okay, now before I format the rest of the document, I'll just tell you that you can actually copy and paste the entire content from your Word document into the blog post editor on WordPress. Okay, but only thing is, if you want to format them one by one, then it is a good idea to paste them one by one as well. So let's come down and make this block as a heading. I'll just change it to heading. Okay, and it's h2 by default. Let's keep it that way, and this looks good. This also looks good. Okay, now here is a link which says clicking here. I need to add a link here, so let me copy the link and then paste it here. So I have the link with me now. So I've selected the text or the word that I want. I'll click on this link option and I'll insert the link, and then I'll go to this option which says open in new tab. I want this to open in a new tab. I don't want someone to open it on my web page itself, and I'll click on submit. Okay, so this is updated. Now this link I'm going to put in a couple of more places as well. So I'll just go down or up and I'll select this image and I'll add a link to this as well. So I'll paste the link here, then I'll click on this, open in a new tab. These things I don't want to change. I'll just click on apply. So anyone clicking on this image will also be directed to that link. Here is another way to add the link. Click here, select this, add the link here again, then click on open in a new tab and click on submit. That link is added. So there are 3 places where I've added that link. Okay, now actually my content is ready, and there are a couple of things where I would want to make things bolder. So let's see where I can make it bold. Okay, so I can do that later as well, but for now let me just see the preview and see how it will look. Click on preview. So here you can preview the blog post. Here is your title, here is the content. You can see the image nicely, and it is giving a link as well. So if you click on this, it will take you to that. There is a link here as well. You can see the alt text, okay, or the caption. Alt text will be shown when you hover your mouse cursor on different devices. Okay, all right. So you can see that the post is looking good. The bold words are not very clear in this post. I need to change something in the settings of my post, of my blog I mean. So if you have that bold thing visible on your blog, it will be looking better. Okay, so I think the post is looking good now, and it's time that I publish this post. So I'll close this tab, and here I'll click on save draft. It's automatically saved anyways, but then just to ensure. Now before I publish, I'll come to this document place, okay, document tab, and I'll see what are the different things that I can update. Here the first thing is the permalink. Permalink looks good. Bluehost is the best hosting provider of 2020. So I don't need here is Y part. So I'll just remove that. It makes the link longer unnecessarily. Okay. All right. So permalink is fine. Then categories. Here I can say add a new category. I can write a new category which is hosting. Okay, we'll click on add new category, just keep it as hosting. Then tags, here I can write a lot of tags. I can write HTTPS, website, design, services, and when you type comma, the tabs will be separated from each other. So let me write a few more tags. Okay, so let it be like that. These are my tags. Then featured image, I'll select the same image as a featured image. I'll select the image from a media library and click on set featured image. Okay, then excerpt, if you want you can just copy from here. So let's copy this and paste it here. That is done. Discussion, I'll keep the comments, I'll keep the pingbacks and trackbacks as well, so not changing anything there. Post attributes, it's a default template, that is also not changing. This is a plugin that I'm using on this computer or on this website, which you need not worry about. So that's all in the document part. If I go to blog, I see that text settings, everything is by default. Whatever default is there, I'm not changing anything. Color settings again you can change from here. Okay, and advanced, here if you want to, you can add some CSS classes. So we're not getting into that. So whatever we have updated is everything in the document tab. Okay, alright, so we'll save draft and then we'll click on publish. Once it is saved, we'll click on publish. Now once you click on publish, it says, are you really ready to publish? Okay, it's giving you a double check option to be absolutely sure that you're going to publish your post. So I want the visibility to be public, I want the publish to be effective immediately, so I'll click on publish. Once it's published, you can get a message here saying post published. You can click on this link here to view your post on a new tab. Also on the right hand side you can see the link here is now live. This is the link to your blog post. What's next? You can copy the link from here, you can view the post from here, copy the link and share it on social media or wherever you want to. Okay, so let's see how the post is looking like. Okay, so this is how my post is looking now, and this is the featured image. If you want, you can have two different kinds of images here. One would be the featured image on the top, the other would be your blog image. Okay, now where do you see the featured image? When you go to your blog page where all the blogs are listed, there you can see your featured image. Okay, so you can see there is one image per blog article. Okay, so here you can see this is the excerpt that you have pasted. This is your featured image along with your title and who has posted this. Okay, alright, so I think that's all in this video. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you, how to post using the latest blog editor on WordPress. Thanks a lot for your consideration so far. I'll see you in the next video. If you're coming to this channel for the first time and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now, because I create this kind of videos very regularly. If you like this video, please give me a like and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, have fun. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Bye bye.